Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasr, and today in this video I want to show you how you can mute your Facebook application chirping sounds. Now I was scrolling Facebook yesterday and I realized that most of the people don't know about this feature that you can actually disable the sounds on your Facebook application, which is kind of a strange thing because whenever I download this application on my iPhone or Android, I tend to turn off these features because these are very annoying features that you gotta have on every phone. So in this video, I will show you a step-by-step process on how you can easily turn this feature off on your iPhone or Android. Let's get started. Now, first thing that I want to share with you guys is that the method is similar in both Android and iOS. So now the first thing you gotta do is you gotta open the Facebook application on your phone. Then you have to go to the menu, which is at the right bottom side. And then you have to click on the setting that appears at the top of the screen. After doing that, you have to scroll down till you reach this option of media. Now, as you see that at the top of the screen, you see in-app sounds. This is the option that you have to turn it off. Now, I have already turned it off, so it's off at the same in here. But whenever you update your Facebook, or you can say like whenever you install Facebook for the first time, this option is already opened. What it does is like if you open this option, it's gonna make some chirping sounds on the Facebook application. Like whenever you are liking something, there is a sound. So in order to remove that sound, you do this. For example, I will give you a tip here. See, if this is a picture of Taylor Swift which I wanna react to, I say like this. I think you have now known that there's a chirp sound over here. Let me do it again. So this is the chirping sound that most people find annoying, and they want to get rid of this sound. So that's the reason behind the creating of this video. So this is the thing that you can do in order to turn this feature off. Another feature that I basically turned off is basically I turn off these two features: video start with sound and story start with sound. I turn these features off because whenever you're scrolling on Facebook, I mean, the video pops up and suddenly there's a loud sound from that video, because obviously you don't know that how much percentage of the volume you have turned your phone into. So these are the things that you can tweak by going into the Facebook settings inside the Facebook app, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, and hope you like this video. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Peace out.